money to patch potholes is there. And once the money to patch potholes is there, it means it's jobs. It is you who are going to work to patch the potholes. So everything in Africa starts and ends with corruption. There are a lot of grandfathers and mothers who are not getting pension, who are not getting SASSA money, yet they are 60, they are 65, a year old. That's why every year we know how many children must start grade 1. Why? Because we know how many children were born 6 years, 7 years ago. So we know how many children are expected in grade 12 this year, because we know how many children started grade 1 12 years ago. So that information, all of it is available. Why must you apply? Why should a child go and apply to start grade 1 in this school next to his home? Because the home affairs, the local government, the hospital, everyone must have information that in this location there are 10 children who are turning 6 years. The nearest school is this one. And if that child is not registered in that school, the authorities must come and say, why is your child not registered in that school? Because your child is 6 years old. That is when you run an effective government. That is when you run a corrupt-free government. That is when you run a government that knows its own affairs. How can you wait to be told by your child that, Mama, today is my birthday? As a parent, you know the birthdays of all your children. In the morning, they just hear you